Members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front East Khasi district had informed through a press conference held in Shillong on the 2nd of August 2022 on the concerns of the organization on ongoing issues that are affecting society. Speaking to media persons, the president of the Hnyf East Khasi Hills District, B. Dakhar, said that the organization is opposing the permission given by the Dorbar Umpling on the opening of a wine store at Ishyrwat locality, the location of which is accessible to Negrim's Hospital, Umpling and Maupat localities. The president of the Hnyf, while referring to the menace of drugs besides other intoxicants, said that the permission for a wine store to be opened on the main road will further encourage the youth into falling prey to social evils, especially the addiction to substances that will not only harm them but the society as a whole. Therefore, the Hnyf has not only urged upon the government to look into the matter but also for the Excise Department and Umpling Dorbar to recall the permission for the safety and well-being of not just residents of Ishyrwat and adjoining areas but of the society in general.
Ishyrwat ang to po laila ang to kuwi kan ti wala ismaupat kuwi bini isnay krim bat kuwi wala ispo umpling tinakaliang gajungingin hapan persya ba jagane madalele lu ngin sya am kasem ban play one store ang to bagasnong kisnong gibadan bentah tu man ai tu ga nusi te namar misu thu sya pi pangi phai meta kajingjot akari ba gajat man jungi khamtam e ki khon samla mata ngi le ba man khon be namata man rai ka jing ha man rai ka jing khamtam e mo ni ka jing kerni habang ikran ndai tang ka kya habang ikran ka jing kerni ka long wat drugs lo pi bubun sin ka long bang ka menta ka tu ka linti ka ban le ka hang tu kin a hang tu laila ka long bai hapadang sinta lo ka tar kan kata ko wi e kan long ka baja burom e ka jalla ka chumi baro ko wi khamtam ka tu ka linti phi menta kan wan ka new Shillong hadian ng phi so bagadiga linti ka ba baro kinong sumar kinong pang wana week jala week state apa ki wana po ni grem ki habya le panto tika e ka ban pen rahan ka long ka jala ka chungi ka nong ban i de dukan kiat ban yang harus rok ni dalile ko sang nginong sya ban ngin persya ba jakta dalile ru ya ngila dab ai ki thos ki dia la dab ai complain ci dc ngila dab ai complain ci po size ru ban ngila dab ai ka complain ru sya tugisnong ba ai to ba no si nakaliang chungi ka sang hingin persya ba dalile ru har de dangin sya